वेलकम टू एग्ज़ाम अड्डा। इस वीडियो में हम स्ट्रैटेजी का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट। देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कुचिपुड़ी इज क्लासिकल डांस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ आंसर आंध्र प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, भरतनाट्यम इज क्लासिकल डांस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ आंसर तमिलनाडु। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ओनम इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ आंसर Kerala. Question number 4, Yakshagana is folk dance from of the state of answer Karnataka. देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम्स आंसर डॉक्टर होमी जे भाभा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, DRDO was formed in answer 1958. Question number 7, ISRO was established in answer 1969. Question number 8, who is known as the father of Indian space program answer Vikram Sarabhai. The question, next question, question number 9, when the first nuclear power station was set up answer 1969, place Tarapur, Maharashtra. Question number 10, in which state Kakrapara nuclear power plant is located answer Gujarat. Question number 11, the Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched on answer 19 April 1975. Question number 12, Sriharikota Space Center is located at answer east coast of Andhra Pradesh. The question number 13, first Indian movie submitted for Oscar answer Mother India. Question number 14, the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature answer Rabindranath Tagore 1913. Question number 15, who was first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize answer Arundhati Roy. Question number 16, the God of Small Things written by answer Arundhati Roy. The question number 17, the United Nations Day is celebrated on answer 24th October. Question number 18, India became a member of the United Nations in answer 1945. Question number 19, the headquarters of International Labour Organization is situated at answer Geneva. याद रखिएगा एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1919. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ यूनेस्को इज सिचुएटेड एट आंसर पेरिस एंड एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1946. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम्स वाज हेल्ड इन आंसर 776 BC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, who was the first Indian player participating in Olympic answer Norman Pritchard. Okay, the question number 23, who was the first Indian to win the individual medal in Olympic answer KD Jadhav. Question number 24, the International Cricket Council ICC was formed in answer 1909. Question number 25, the headquarters of International Cricket Council is located in answer Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Question number 26, the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI was formed in answer 1927. Question number 27, the headquarters of FIFA answer Zurich, Switzerland. Question number 28, which country has won maximum number of World Cup titles in football answer Brazil. Question number 29. The national game of Malaysia is answer badminton. Question number 30. The national game of USA answer baseball. Question number 31. The number of players in the games of baseball are answer 9. Question number 32. The number of players in the games of water polo are answer 7. Question number 33. The national game of Brazil is answer football. Question number 34. Who is called as Flying Sikh of India? Answer Milkha Singh. Question number 35. Who is called as Golden Girl of India? Answer P.T. Usha. Question number 36. Durand Cup and Rovers Cup associated with? Answer football. Question number 37. Thomas Cup, Uber Cup and Narang Cup is associated with? Answer badminton. Question number 38. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is situated at? Answer Rome and established was 1945. Question number 39. SAARC was founded in? Answer 1985 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Question number 40. The headquarters of United Nations Environmental Programme UNEP is situated in? Answer Nairobi. Established was 1972. Question number 41. Kolingo Award is given in the field of? Answer science. Question number 42. Kolingo Award is given by? Answer UNESCO. Question number 43. The highest literary award of India is? Answer Jnanpith Award. Question number 44. Who was the first recipient of Jnanpith Awards? Answer G. Shankar Kuru. Question number 45. First woman recipient of Jnanpith Award? Answer Ashapurna Devi. Question number 46. The highest gallantry award of India? Answer Parambir Chakru. Question number 47. Who was the first Indian woman to win Miss Universe contest? Answer Sushmita Sen in 1994. Take the next question. Question number 48. In which year Bharat Ratna Award was established? Answer 1954. Question number 49. Who was the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 50. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of? Answer literature and journalism. Question 51. Who was first Indian to win the Pulitzer Prize? Answer Govind Bihari Lal. किस क्षेत्र में? रिपोर्टिंग. ओके. Question 52. Pongal is main festival of? Answer Tamil Nadu. Question 53. Garba is folk dance from the state of? Answer Gujarat. Question number 54. Bhangra is folk dance from the state of? Answer Punjab. Question 55. Rope is folk dance from the state of? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 56. Bis Mial Khan related which instrument? Answer Shanai. Question number 57. Zakir Hossain is related to which instrument? Answer Tabla. Question 58. Hari Prasad Chaurasia is related to which instrument? Answer flute. Question 59. Which is oldest Indian language? Answer Tamil. Question number 60. First woman judge in Supreme Court? Answer Mira Sahib Fatima Baby. Question number 61. The first woman High Court judge? Answer Anna Kendi. Question number 62. The first woman Chief Justice of a High Court. Answer Leela Sheth. Question number 63. First woman Governor of State in a Free India. Answer Sarojini Naidu. Question number 64. National Defence Academy is situated. Answer Khadagbasla. কোথায়? পুনে. Located is Pune. Okay. 65. Integrated Guided Missiles Development Program was launched. Answer 1983. Question number 66. The headquarters of DRDO is situated. Answer New Delhi. Question number 67. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research was set up. Answer 1977 at Kalapakkam. Question number 68. Who is the author of the book My Truth? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question number 69. Who was the author of India of My Dreams? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 70. Who wrote the book Why Socialism? Answer Joy Prakash Narayan. Question number 71. Natya Shastra was written by? Answer Bharat Muni. Question number 72. World Environment Day fall on? Answer June 5th. Question number 73. National Science Day is celebrated every year on? Answer February 28. Question number 74. Consumer Day is celebrated every year on? Answer 15 March. Question number 75. World AIDS Day is observed on? Answer 1st December. Question number 76. The capital of Turkey? Answer Ankara. Question number 77. The capital of Cyprus? Answer Nicosia. Question 78. The capital of Libya? Answer Tripoli. Question number 79. The capital of Australia? Answer Canberra. Question number 80. The Security Council of UN consists of? Answer 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members. Question number 81. When was the League of Nations formed? Answer 10 January 1920. Question number 82. The number of judges in the International Court of Justice is? Answer 15. Question number 83. The first Secretary General of United Nations was? Answer Trygve Lie. Question number 84. The first Indian to join ICS? Answer Satyendra Nath Tagore. Question number 85. First British Governor General of India? Answer Lord William Bentinck. Question number 86. First British Viceroy of India? Answer Lord Canning. Question number 87. The first Governor General of Free India? Answer Lord Mountbatten. Question number 88. The headquarters of ISRO is situated at? Answer Bangalore. Question number 89. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is located at? Answer Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Question number 90. India's first nuclear test was conducted at? Answer Pokhran, Rajasthan. Question 91. The first nuclear test conducted in India under the code name of Buddha is smiling on? Answer 18 May 1974. Question 92. The second nuclear test conducted in India under the code name of Operation Shakti on? Answer 11th May 1998. Question 93. In which state Kudankulam nuclear power plant is located? Answer Tamil Nadu. Question 94. In which state Narora nuclear power plant is located? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Question 95. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in the which city? Answer Oslo, country Norway. Question 96. First man to win Nobel Prize for Physics? Answer W.K. Roentgen. Question 97. The Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Peace was? Answer Mother Teresa in 1979. Question number 98. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Physics was? Answer C.V. Raman, 1930. Question number 99. The Academy Award is also known as? Answer Oscar Award. Question number 100. The highest film award of India? Answer Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Question number 101. Who was the first winner of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer Devika Rani. Question number 102. The first film in India? Answer Raja Harishchandra. Question number 103. First Indian sound film? Answer Elam Era. Question number 104. Freeman Institute of India located at? Answer Pune, Maharashtra. Question number 105. The highest science award of India? Answer Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. Question number 106. Who was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Answer Vishwanath Anand. Question number 107. Sangeet Natak Academy was established in? Answer 1952. Question number 109. Lalit Kala Academy was established in? Answer 1954. Question number 110. What is the present number of the member of United Nations? Answer 193. Question number 111. The United Nations was established in the year? Answer 1945. Question number 112. The headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is situated at? Answer Vienna, established हुआ था 1957. Question number 13. 113. The headquarters of International Monetary Fund IMF is situated at? Answer Washington DC, established हुआ था 1967. Question 114. The headquarters of World Trade Organization WTO is situated at? Answer Geneva, established हुआ था 1995. Question number 115. Who was the first Indian to win an Asian Games gold in 400 meter runs? Answer Kamaljeet Sindhu. Question number 116. The South Asian Federation Game was started in 1984 at? Answer Kathmandu, Nepal. Question number 117. India won its first Olympic hockey gold in? Answer 1928, Amsterdam. Question number 118. Last Olympic gold medal on India hockey team at? Answer Moscow Olympic in 1980. Question number 119. The Commonwealth Game was started in 1930 at? Answer Hamilton, Canada. Question number 120. First Indian to cross 7 important seas by swimming? Answer Bula Choudhury. Question number 121. How many miles are in marathon race? Answer 26 miles. Question 122. Shivaji Stadium is related to? Answer hockey, located Delhi. Question 123. Kumbh Mela in India can be held on same place after every? Answer 12 years. Question 124. The World Wide Web was invented by? Answer Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 125. The keyboard, mouse, MICR, OMR and OCR is commonly attached as? Answer input unit. Question number 226. The printer and monitor are commonly attached as? Answer output unit. Question 127. The Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on? Answer 2nd December. Question 128. World's first electronic digital computer is? Answer ENIAC. Question 129. Kanha Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Answer Madhya Pradesh. Question 130. Sariksha Tiger Reserve is located in the state of? Answer Rajasthan. Question 131. Ghar Oli is folk dance from the state of? Answer Uttarakhand. Question 132. Satriya is classical dance from the state of? Answer Assam. Question 133. Mohiniyattam is classical dance from the state of? Answer Kerala. Question 134. Who invented Portland cement? Answer Joseph Azrin. Question 135. Blood group was discovered by? Answer Lance Trainer. Question number 136. Phycology is study of? Answer algae. Question 137. Which instrument is used for photographing the sun? Answer spectrohelograph. 138. The study of mountains is known as? Answer orology. Question 139. Who invented electric motor? Answer Michael Faraday. Question 140. Who discovered electromagnetic nature of light? Answer Maxwell. Question 141. Who discovered North Pole? Answer Robert Peary. Question 142. In which field is Bidhan Chandra Roy Award given? And answer medicine. Question 143. Who wrote the book The Taste of My Life? Answer Yuvraj Singh. Question number 44. Life Divine is a book written by? Answer Aurobindo Ghosh. Question number 145. Karl Marx wrote? Answer Das Kapital. Question 146. First person to enter into space was? Answer Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin belonged to USSR, now Soviet Union. 147. Cryogenic is? Answer scientific study of very low temperature. Question 148. What is the first missile which has been developed in India? Answer Prithvi. Question number 149. OTEC stand for? Answer Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion. Question 150. What is the full form of GPEG? Answer Joint Photographic Expert Group. Question number 151. CAD stand for? Answer Computer Aided Design. Question number 152. LIFO stand for? Answer Last in, First out. Question number 153. The first Chief Election Commissioner? Answer Sukumar Sen. Question 154. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Answer Justice Hiral J. Kania. Question 155. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Question 156. The first Indian Judge of the International Court of Justice? Answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. Question number 157. Whose Samadhi Sthal is known as Kishan Ghat? Answer Chaudhary Charan Singh. Question 158. Whose Samadhi Sthal is known as Shakti Sthal? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question 159. Who is popularly known as Deshbandhu? Answer Chittaranjan Das. Question 160. Who is popularly known as Lok Nayak? Answer Joy Prakash Narayan. Question number 161. How many classical languages have been recognized in India's constitution? Answer 6 languages: Tamil, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia. Question 162. How many official languages have been recognized in India's constitution? Answer 22 languages. Question 163. The most popular language in the world? Answer Mandarin Chinese. 164. Kathak is classical dance from the state of? Answer North India. Question 165. Kathakali is classical dance from the state of? Answer Kerala. Question 166. Nat Natin is folk dance from the state of? Answer Bihar. Question 167. Ustad Binda Khan is related to which instrument? Answer Sarangi. Question number 168. The total number of Bihu celebrated in Assam during a year. Answer 3. Bihu is a folk dance in Assam. Question number 169. India's first anti-missile submarine is. Answer INS Sindhu Shastra. Question number 170. Indian Military Academy is situated at. Answer Dehradun. Question 171. Department of Atomic Energy was established in. Answer 1954. Question number 172. The term gambit is associated with. Answer chess. Question number 173. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in. Answer Qatar. Question 174. Velodrome is related to which sport? Answer cycling. Question 175. National Sport Day is celebrated on. Answer 29 August. Question number 176. The Central Leather Research Institute is located at. Answer Chennai. Question 177. First American president to visit India is. Answer Dwight D. Eisenhower. Question 178. Metric system of measurement started in the country. Answer 1956. Question 179. How many rings are there in the Olympic flag? Answer 5. Question number 180. Who was the first person to reach South Pole in Antarctica? Answer Ronald Amundsen. Question 181. Who was the first woman prime minister in the world? Answer Sri Mao Bhandaranaike. Question 182. Ulaanbaatar is capital of which country? Answer Mongolia. Currency Tagrik. Question 183. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Answer Astana. Currency Tengi. Question 184. Beirut is capital of which country? Answer Lebanon. Currency pound. Question 185. The World Trade Organization was earlier known as. Answer GATT. Question 186. Where is headquarters of European Union located? Answer Brussels. Brussels located Belgium. Question 187. Headquarters of Botanical Survey of India located. Answer Kolkata. Question number 188. World Wildlife Fund was founded. Answer 1961. Question number 189. The non-permanent member of the Security Council are elected for. Answer 2 years. Question number 190. Minority right is observed in India on. Answer 18 December. Question number 191. Non-resident Indians NRI is marked on. Answer January 9. Question number 192. March 8 is observed as. Answer International Women's Day. Question 193. The World Day to combat desertification is observed. Answer 17 June. Question number 194. Dandiya is popular dance of. Answer Gujarat. Question 195. Doordarshan was founded in which year? Answer 1959. Question number 196. Shiv Kumar Sharma is famous for playing. Answer Santur. Question 197. Karadi is folk dance of. Answer Puducherry. Question 198. In which state is the Kangar Ghati National Park located? Answer Chhattisgarh. Question 199. In which state the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary located? Answer Haryana. Question number 200. Jim Corbett National Park is situated. Answer Uttarakhand. Question 201. Tram smasher is associated with which sport? Answer volleyball. Question number 202. The term bully is associated with which sport? Answer hockey. Question number 203. Ijara Cup is associated with which sport? Answer polo.